For this experiment, I have prepared a plate here that has salt and pepper on it, mixed together. It's just salt and pepper that I was able to find in my kitchen. I also have a balloon here that was filled up with air, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this balloon, I'm going to rub it on my head and then hold it over the plate of pepper and salt right here, and see what happens. So to start, rub it over my head, and then hold my plate up so it can be seen. And as you can kind of see here, if I turn the balloon a little bit this way and zoom in, you can see that some of the pepper was absorbed up onto the balloon. You can hear it more than you can see it, actually. And it would look like only the pepper is currently being attracted to the balloon. And this is occurring because when I rubbed the balloon to my head, I was passing along and creating static electricity. And that static electricity has a negatively charged electrical field. And then when I rubbed the balloon over the plate, that also conducted that negative electrical field. And so what happened was that because the salt and pepper are both positively charged, they were attracted as opposites attract towards the negative electrical charge. And the reason that only the pepper continues to be attracted to the balloon is due to the fact that pepper is actually lighter than salt. And so if the electrical charge were stronger, it would also be able to pull the salt from the plate, but because it is not tremendously strong, it's simply attracting the pepper off of the plate. And so because of that electrical field, it's able to raise the pepper. And if it were stronger, it would also be able to raise the salt due to the opposite effects of the electrical charge attracting the ions.